Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a wedding cake swing for a fabulous wedding reception. Here we go. Last Thursday, I showed you how to make a dessert table swing, and today, as promised, I'm going to be making a wedding cake swing. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by measuring and marking the spots where I want my ropes to come out of, and I'm going to make them about 1.5 inches in, and I'm going to place one here, here, and another one here, so I can have enough room to place the cake in. I'm going to be using a 3/16 diamond braid rope for this project. Let's check out if it fits. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is place my rope through the hole, but I'm going to need at least 66 inches of rope to do that, okay? So I'm going to measure. All right, so here it is, 66 inches. And for this rope, in order for you to get it nice and smooth at the tip, you are gonna have to burn it. All right, so be very careful, and kids, do not try this at home. Not like any kids are watching this channel, but I just feel like I have to say that. So that's that. All right, so now you are going to bring her through. All right, then you are going to tie your knot. I don't know how to make any fancy knots, so I'm just going to wrap it around a couple of times. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the tip just to make sure it doesn't unravel. Ouch. Be very careful. I'm always burning myself because I am crazy. So just hold it there for a little bit. Next, I'm going to be placing a common nail through the rope so it can help me keep it intact and give it extra support. And now I am going to add more hot glue on top of the nail to cover it up so it can be safe. All right, so now I'm gonna let this dry for a bit, and I'll be back after I finish with the other two. And they're all very secure. Look at that. That's not going anywhere. Once you pull the ropes up, you are going to notice that most of the tension is between the ropes in the front, and the one at the back is just pretty much just going to assist you. Since most of the tension and weight distribution is going to be between the two in the front, I am going to let go of this one in the back for now, and I'm going to tie these two together. So I'm going to make a knot right there, and I'll let you know exactly how many inches in that is. All right, so just try to tie it as tight and straight as possible. Now I'm going to grab my third rope, and I'm going to tie it to the knot. I'm actually tying it to the top of the knot. In case I have to let it loose a little bit later, I'm able to do that. And don't worry about this looking loose. This is perfect because once you add weight to it, you're gonna have tension, and then this is going to be straight. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint the cake stand in rope in metallic silver. Now I'm going to start decorating my cake stand, and I'm going to start by hanging crystals to the cake stand. And for that, I'm going to have to turn it over. So I pulled apart strings of crystals, and they all have 20 crystals, and I'm going to glue them around the borders. And now all I'm going to do is apply some hot glue right here in the corners. just like a dot. I'm gonna do a few of them because you kind of have to let them dry a bit, but of course don't let it dry all the way. Okay, so once the glue is a little bit harder, you are going to place the crystal right in the middle. So I actually have enough crystals to place another row on my cake stand, and I'm going to be using this plate to help me out with placement, and I'm going to make sure that I place the crystals in between the ones that are already there. Okay guys, so I am so upset right now because I just realized that I glued on the crystals on the wrong side. So now I have to flip now I have to flip the rope over to the bottom, which was the top. So I'll be right back. So how annoying was that? Very annoying. I mean, it didn't take too long. It was about 10 minutes. I had to flip the knots. So make sure that when you glue your crystals, you glue it on the side of the knot. That's what I get for rushing. I had a hot date with the hubby, so I was rushing, so yeah. All right, so let's move on. Now I am going to place my push light right here in the middle of the cake stand at the bottom, okay, at the bottom. All right, so I don't want to mess up my crystal, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and hang my cake stand. I'm going to be using a 2-inch pipe U-bolt to hang it with. All right, so let's do that so I can move on to the next step. And there it is, and it should look something like this. And by the way, if you didn't get to see the video previous to this one, I show you how to make the stand. So I'm going to link it down below for you to see, okay? And I'm also gonna have it at the end of the video so you can check it out. All right, so the next step is going to be for me to add hanging crystals to the rope. Going to be adding diamond wrap to the cake stand. This is definitely optional. You can leave it as it is, or you can bling it out a bit. This diamond wrap has 24 rows, and I'm going to fold it in half so it can be a little bit thicker and just a little bit more, you know, solid. A 16-inch round mirror on top of the cake stand. This is also optional, but I'm totally going for it. And I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue to the bottom so it will not move. Okay guys, this is it. This is my wedding cake stand swing, and I absolutely love it. I love the crystals, I love the bling, I love the mirror, I love everything about it. It is different, it is elegant, and it will look amazing at anyone's wedding. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my wedding cake swing, and leave me a comment anyway because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that's getting married soon, make sure to share with them at the end of this video because you'll be able to save them $1 or $2 or $3 or $4. Lots with this DIY. All right guys, until next time, bye.